Simba, I don't know what's going on. I don't care anymore. You are having a very bad cold. It's cold outside. I was sneezing and coughing a lot. I know you're still gonna Disney perform this year. And next year. Because Bill Murray is in the upcoming live action Aristocats remake. Nala, is my throat feeling okay? I think I'm gonna feel fine. I don't care anymore. Simba! I don't care. Shh, quiet. Who hear you? Oh, yeah. Got poop in it. I don't want them to hear me. Here. I wonder. Oh. Ah. I don't see anything. What's going on, Pinocchio? Oh, in Dumbo! Dumbo. I know he's gentle with Blue from Blue's Clues and Sky from Paw Patrol in the future. I know it's crazy. He needs to calm down. I'm Dumbo! Simba, I don't care anymore. Neither would Marie, Dumbo. I don't care anymore. Simba, what would Bambi say? I think it's untrue. Are you feeling okay, mister? Because if you are, you're coughing and sneezing a lot. Bambi, don't talk to Pauline. Bambi, isn't this all true? Letting him sneeze and cough like a total clown? Pauline, I don't my mom to get hunted by man anymore. Listen here, Bambi, Pauline, I don't care anymore. You two listen to me. I'm Dumbo. Just take a breather. I know. It's crazy. Just relax. We'll get some dinner ready for you. And I don't care anymore. You're going out tomorrow. Like tomorrow for sure. Dumbo? I know. It's snowing outside. I know you're gonna Disney before I promise you. Look, I don't care anymore. It's disgusting. Pinocchio. It's disgusting. You. I don't care anymore, Dumbo. Pinocchio. I think he's gonna be the new voice of SpongeBob in his future. So Crossover with Blue from Blue's Clues and Sky from Paw Patrol in the future. You're right, Dumbo. I see. I know you were sneezing and coughing a lot. I don't know what kind of cold you have. Take you some cough medicine, cold medicine, to help you. I don't care anymore, no. Just be patient. I'll be patient. Just say it for the rest of the video. I don't care no anymore. Oh my goodness. I don't leave the toilet seat up, you two. I'm a lady, that's why. Marie, I don't care anymore. Don't touch my thermostat! Leave me, no, one step of baby. Are you singing? I know that helps. I don't care anymore. I'm Pinocchio. Pinocchio, don't talk like that. Or something like that. Oh, look, Nala. Look at Gingerbread Man. What is he doing? He's putting his penis into his Fruit Loops. Ew, that's disgusting, Dumbo. That's gross. It's disgusting. Just do it without the sneeze, please. Just go without it, Dumbo. I don't care anymore, Dumbo. I'm Pinocchio! Pinocchio, don't talk like that anymore. Dumbo, what are you doing? I don't care anymore, Pinocchio. I'm Dumbo. You're not helping. Who else wouldn't be helping, Dumbo? Pauline. I don't care anymore. I hate bad people. Bad people equals the consequence, Dumbo. I don't care anymore. No more stores for you. Sorry, Dumbo. It's crazy. Pauline, this is all true. I don't care about Dumbo and Pinocchio anymore. Bambi, don't talk like that anymore. Bambi, I lost my Bambi sweatshirt. Well, you're not looking hard enough. You gotta try. You wanna go see Peter Pan on Broadway. You got 2 other plays you're gonna go to in the future. Got Cinderella and Beetlejuice. Sorry, I need to take some cough medicine. Well then, find it. We'll find a perfect cure for you. You're puking in the toilet. It's not good for you. We'll have to find some perfect cough medicine. It's disgusting. Damn disgusting, Bambi! It's gross! Yo. Then I should have cut that wolf's stomach open from Red Riding Hood. No, the wolf is dead! But why? That's disgusting, Bambi. I don't like the big bad wolf. He just swallowed me whole. You can't swallow a whole elephant, can you? No! Shut up. Language, okay? It's inappropriate, Dumbo. I need to have him a perfect cure for him. Need him to get some cough medicine. Cough medicine, eh? I'll find some. I hate bad people. They're evil. Well, Blue's good and Elmo's evil. I don't care anymore, you two. It's inappropriate.